In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone to your HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW or other similar models, and how to print. So it's quite easy. You actually don't need to download any apps on your phone. All you have to do is to go on your printer on the control panel that is located right over here on the top left corner. And we need to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. So let me show you how it is done. The Wi-Fi button over here should not be blinking blue. If it's blinking blue, press on it once so it stops. Then we need to put your Wi-Fi router in WPS mode. Usually there is a button on the front or on the back that you need to press to enable this mode. Then on the printer, you're going to press this Wi-Fi button during 3 seconds until you get this icon, then release, wait, and now it will be trying to connect to your Wi-Fi router that is in WPS mode. Usually this mode only lasts 30 seconds, 1 minute, so you need to be quick. If you see that after 30 seconds, nothing is happening, the button is still blinking, go back to your Wi-Fi router and click again on the WPS button. It has probably just exited that mode. At the end, the Wi-Fi button should not be blinking anymore. It should stay blue. This simply means that the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Then on your iPhone, as I said, you don't need to download any apps. Just open the file you wish to print, PDF, or maybe it's a picture from the camera roll. If you're looking for a PDF file on your iPhone that got saved previously, just go all the way towards the right side, tap on App Library, and over here, all you have to type is Files. Open the Files. This is the main menu of the Files app. If you don't see it, click on Browse over here, and you may need to tap on the arrow on the top left corner. Then you're going to go on My iPhone, and you're going to search for the file you wish to print. I have found this PDF file, and at this point, you need to find on your screen this icon. It's a square with an arrow. Maybe yours is not located there, maybe yours is on the lower left side, or even on the top. Find this icon and tap on it. Then you should see Print right over here. Tap on Print. Then tap on Printer on the top of the screen. And select your HP LaserJet Printer 3001. Now there's a few options that you can change, including the number of copies, if you want to print on both sides of the paper or just on one side, the paper size, and over here you have media quality. If you tap on it and then tap on print quality, by default it's set to normal. If you want to get the best results, but it will take maybe 1 second more, 2 seconds more to print, select best. At the end, click on the blue print icon, and usually in under 10 seconds, the print should come out. So let me show you. All right, the printer got the data and it's now printing. Here we go. Very easy. And again, you don't need to download any apps. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment and leave a comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some toner, maybe some paper for your printer, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching this video.